You wake up exhausted, even after a full night's sleep. Your eyes burn, your body feels heavy, and your mind is foggy. This isn't just getting older, it's your body sending a warning. Constant tiredness is a signal that something deeper is off balance. Think of it like a warning light on your car's dashboard. You can't just ignore it. In this video, we'll break down 7 real reasons you're always tired and how to fix them fast. We'll go beyond surface-level advice and dive into science-backed strategies to restore your energy. Let's start with the most obvious and most misunderstood. Sleep isn't just about hours in bed, it's about quality. If you're tossing, turning, or exposed to light and noise, you're missing out on deep restorative sleep. Blue light from screens and even small lights in your room can disrupt melatonin and your sleep cycle. The fix: shut down screens at least 30 minutes before bed. Keep your room cool, dark, and quiet, and use blackout curtains or an eye mask. Stick to a consistent sleep schedule even on weekends to anchor your body's internal clock. These simple changes help your brain and body get the deep rest they need. Sleep smarter, not just longer. Your energy starts with your sleep. Starting your day with sugary foods or sweetened coffee sets you up for an energy crash. High-sugar breakfasts spike your blood sugar, then cause a crash, leaving you tired and craving more sugar. This roller coaster drains your energy all day. The solution: eat a breakfast rich in protein, healthy fats, and fiber, like eggs with avocado or Greek yogurt with nuts. Balanced meals keep your energy steady for hours. Ditch the sugar and you'll feel the difference. Stable blood sugar means stable energy. Even mild dehydration can sap your energy and focus. Your body needs water to deliver oxygen and nutrients. When you're low, your heart and brain work harder. Don't wait until you're thirsty. Sip water throughout the day. Aim for about 2 to 3 liters daily, or half your body weight in ounces. Add lemon or a pinch of sea salt for better absorption and taste. Keep a water bottle nearby as a reminder. Hydration is one of the fastest ways to boost your energy. Sitting all day slows your metabolism and tells your body to conserve energy. Movement signals your body to wake up and produce more energy. You don't need a marathon, just break up sitting with short bursts of activity. Set a timer to stand, stretch, or walk every hour. Even 5 minutes of movement can boost your mood and alertness. Take the stairs, pace during calls, or do a quick set of squats. Small, frequent movement keeps your energy system switched on. Move more, feel more alive. Chronic stress keeps your body in fight or flight mode, draining your energy and disrupting sleep. High cortisol over time leads to burnout and deep fatigue. Manage stress by practicing deep, slow breathing for 5 minutes a day. Take short breaks to unplug, journal, or get morning sunlight to reset your cortisol rhythm. Learn to say no to what drains you. Stress management isn't a luxury. It's essential for energy. Calm your mind, recharge your body. Your energy depends on it. You can eat enough calories, but still lack the vitamins and minerals your body needs for energy. Common deficiencies like B12, iron, magnesium, and vitamin D can leave you exhausted. Ask your doctor for a blood test to check your levels. Focus on nutrient-dense foods: red meat, leafy greens, eggs, nuts, and fatty fish. Prioritize food first, then supplement if needed. The right nutrients power your cells and your energy. Don't guess, test, and fuel up. Your brain uses more energy than any other organ, and your mindset matters. Boredom, negativity, and lack of purpose can drain your energy just as much as poor sleep. Engage in activities you love, even for 15 minutes a day. Surround yourself with positive, supportive people. Set boundaries with those who drain you. Joy and meaning are powerful energy boosters. Reignite your passions to recharge your mind. Your mindset fuels your energy. Tiredness isn't just about rest, it's about alignment. When your sleep, nutrition, hydration, movement, stress, nutrients, and mindset are in sync, your energy transforms. Don't try to fix everything at once. Start small. Tonight, fix your sleep. Tomorrow, fix your breakfast. Then hydrate better. Small wins build momentum and lasting energy. If you want a printable plan with all 7 fixes, check the link in the description. You deserve to feel alive again. Just a few changes can get you there. Stay sharp, stay energized.